Welcome to this Healing Rain guided meditation. So please begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes and take a deep cleansing breath in through your nose. And then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. With each breath, allow your body to relax deeper, preparing yourself for a journey into the soothing embrace of healing rain. Imagine yourself in a peaceful outdoor space, surrounded by nature. As you settle in, listen to the gentle sound of rain falling around you. The rhythmic patter creates a tranquil atmosphere, easing your mind and calming your spirit. Feel the soft vibrations of the raindrops as they land on leaves, grass, and the ground, creating a symphony of relaxation. With each drop, allow yourself to feel more at peace. Inhale deeply, breathing in the fresh, clean scent of rain-filled air. Let this aroma cleanse your lungs, filling you with a sense of renewal and tranquility. Picture the rain as a healing balm that washes away any worries or burdens. Now visualize yourself stepping out into the gentle rain. Feel the cool sensation of the droplets falling down your skin, refreshing and invigorating you. As each drop touches you, imagine it cleansing your mind, body, and spirit. Washing away negativity and tension. Feel the healing powers of the rain, renewing your entire being. Allow the water to flow over you, purifying you from the inside out. Each droplet carries away stress, replacing it with a sense of rejuvenation and vitality. You are being refreshed and revitalized by the natural elements. As you stand in the rain, raise your hands above your head and brush your fingers through the falling droplets. Feel the refreshing water invigorating your senses, connecting you to the earth and sky. Look up at the cloudy sky, allowing yourself to be fully present in this moment. With each breath, acknowledge the beauty of nature surrounding you. Visualize the rain as a connection between you and the universe. Reminding you that you are part of something greater. Feel this connection grounding you, bringing a sense of calm and belonging. As you embrace the rain, let it remind you of life's cycles, how it nourishes the earth, refreshes the air, and brings new growth. You are part of this cycle, and the rain is a gentle reminder of renewal and transformation. Take a moment to reflect on how this experience makes you feel. Notice the lightness in your body, the clarity in your mind, and the peace in your heart. With each droplet, you are becoming more rejuvenated, renewed, and filled with positive energy. Embrace this sense of vitality and joy, knowing it is now a part of you. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a deep, refreshing breath in feeling the lingering sensation of the rain and the connection to nature still surrounding you. As you exhale, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, grounding yourself in your space. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of rejuvenation and connection with you. Thank you for taking this time to connect with the healing powers of the rain. Embrace the tranquility and renewal it offers, knowing that you are always a part of the beautiful cycle of nature.